Here's how to create a pop-up in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, you just need to go on the left side and find pop-ups and sticker bars right here. Click on it and you will be redirected to this one right here. So you just need to click create a pop-up, and after clicking that, you'll be redirected to this page right here under pop-ups. Make sure that your content type is set as pop-ups and you just need to choose a template. Or you can start from scratch, but I recommend you to choose a template. So for example, we choose this one. So after choosing a template, make sure to add a name to it. So let's say this one. So after adding a name, click start with this template and you'll be redirected to the classic builder where you can edit your pop-ups. So there's a bunch of editing features that you can use to edit your pop-ups. There's a pop-up widgets right here. You can add a section box, text image button, etc., etc. And right here on the right side, you can edit the pop-up properties, the size, the default text style, the background properties, etc. So after designing your pop-ups, just click save, and after saving, you're done. So if you go back to your Unbounce dashboard, you can see your pop-ups that you have created right here, and that is how to create a pop-up in Unbounce.